rolls, macaroni and cheese, green bean casserole. Okay, we outside now, you guys. This is after we ate. This is about what time? 5:46 in the afternoon. I know you're saying it's dark to be 5:46, but yeah, it get dark very quick. Okay, we got Javon down on the ground, looking at the ground. Josh over here, I guess he slept in the tree. I hope that's what he's doing. Trey, how big is the tree I got?
This is a 7.5 feet.
Okay, excuse the mess, but we got Josh over here. He's taking a decade to. What you probably doing, Josh? Okay, we got Trayvon over here. It is now 1:30 in the afternoon, Thanksgiving Day. He's basting the turkey. I don't know who seasoned the turkey and who cooked it.
I seasoned the turkey.
Oh, he seasoned and cooked the turkey.
I made half.
This is our dessert table. We have, I don't know who this is, but a decadent chocolate pie. I don't know she made pie. A caramel apple pie. We got a Patty LaBelle sweet potato pie, family size edition. Oh, that's a nice little cake. A white cake with crumbs. My cake right here. I'm gonna put it up because this thing is a little foggy. And we got brownies that opened yesterday. Rolls, macaroni and cheese. Green bean casserole. Yams. Cream corn. We got dressing. Collard greens with smoked meat. You already know the smoked meat is what you get your chillins. One of my favorite foods to eat. Deviled eggs. Gotta have deviled eggs. Trey fixing this plate. You already knew that. Oh, yeah.
One eternity later.
Okay, we outside now, you guys. This is after we ate. This is about what time? 5:46 in the afternoon. I know you're saying it's dark to be 5:46, but yeah, it get dark very quick. But we got these little. This is a year-round thing. I think the hummingbird, they're supposed to light up once the sun goes down, but we got a light out here, so they ain't gonna light right now. Got this joy sign. I don't know if it's picking up on camera or not. Brianna supposed to do this welcome time. She ain't did it yet. Got this little fire pit out here. Keep yourself warm. I got that from Five Below. I don't know if I blogged it or not. We got trees out here. We need a little sweeping done out here, but we're gonna get on it. About time to take these down and put the Merry Christmas ones up. Welcome time and all. About time to take that down. But this is what they're doing so far. It's coming together. It's coming together. We got a lot more stuff, so be on the lookout. You guys, it's so cold outside. It's really so cold. But we gotta put this decor up. I'm on the porch. I'm not in the house. I'm on the porch. The front porch. Are you guys decorating today of Thanksgiving after we eat? Comment down below. Okay, we got Javon down on the ground, looking at the ground. Josh over here, I guess he slept in the tree. I hope that's what he's doing. Trey, how big is the tree I got?
This is a 7.5 feet.
A 7.5 feet.
I bought it. I bought the tree guys.
Okay, Bree's reality over here. She's getting this fireplace, this actual working fireplace together. I need to take care of the bells. Nobody know that.
Light up that firewood. Now you gotta clean the room out hanging in.
What's with the tray?
I feel like the pepper patty was on there instead of blue seed was way better.
Mom over here sitting in the chair. She don't have her pajama set on, but we're gonna
Mom
follow
tired.
what it is. Her twig about wars has run its course.
There you go, back behind you.
The Charlie Brown twig Christmas tree
If I was talking to my friend, he was feeling with the twig, let's leave with the pajama.
with the blanket. And a Lionel blanket.
Yeah, Linus.
Oh, and we got this from Aldi years ago. We got this from Aldi like what, 8 years ago? I can't remember.
No, we had like 2 businesses.
In Chicago, it had how many years? Probably about 2 or 3 years.
Yep.
You did that side actually.
Oh, the birds. Let me get the birds.
Big over here to the right.
Flurry, wait, where's the sibling? Of course.
I'm not saying I'm just sitting down.
Okay, they hiding. They hiding.
What you waiting?
Happy holidays! Woo! You ain't heard jingle bells like this. Well, come on, y'all. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in the one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Everybody sing. I jingle bells, woo! I jingle bells. I jingle bells. Hey, jingle bells. Woo! Jingle bells. Oh, hey, well. Everybody slide. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Woo!
Okay, we're gonna take all this fossil down and make this Christmas.
There's my breast suit.
That's exactly what we're about to do. Oh, somebody brought the mugs in here already.
Yeah, where you at?
Oh, here.
You know where your thing is on me?
What thing?
Buffet.
Yes.
Get my gingerbread house out of there.
Now Merry Christmas to everybody. Let's celebrate, make the season jolly. Hang up all the lights, mistletoes and holly. Get the feeling right. Oh yeah, come on and grab a hand that's a hold you. We're gonna make the most of this year. Come on, let there be joy to your world. Every boy and girl, peace on earth, goodwill to men, and may we all shine our light, make the season bright, share a little love again. Let there be joy. Hey, yeah, y'all. The Christmas cards and the decorations got every heart filled with jubilation. If you want some memories, we can make it underneath the lights. Oh yeah, come on and grab a hand that's a hold it. We're gonna make the most of it this year. Let there be joy to your world. Every boy and girl, peace on earth, goodwill to men. Shine our light, make the season bright, share a little love. Let
Okay, excuse the mess, but we got Josh over here. He's taking a decade to. What you probably doing, Josh?
Thanksgiving Day, how about that?
The birds, they still up, as you guys can see. They're still up. Fleur won't ever look at the camera. Oh, there you go. Don't bust the flow in, Trey. Got mom over here sitting down in the seat. Brianna, I keep telling her to do something, and then I keep catching her on the seat. I got these right here. These are some, what do you call them, mom? Serving tray. I got white ones, the bread ones.
What you gonna serve? Who you gonna serve with?
It say Hello Santa, milk and cookies. Reindeer snacks right there. I guess mama gonna do that one day. Mama over here. This tree up.
We got thumbtacks over there.
Yeah. That's what they do there. Okay, my sister finally finished these. Did a great job. I didn't know it's gonna turn out like that, but she did a great job. Got one over here. Then we have a different design on this one. Okay, it is now 8 at night, Thanksgiving night. And we got Bree over here with a plate full of desserts. Trevon over there with a second plate full of desserts. Josh this probably his third plate full of desserts. You can't really see him, but probably his third plate. I got Pat LaBelle sweet potato pie. Brianna made some type of white pearl cake.
I made that cake. My birthday cake.
And a sweet potato pound cake. I mean, sweet potato honey bun cake. Mama, y'all might ask where she at. Oh, look at my cup. This is from Temu. It's a Miyoki cup. It's for Christmas. I had to pull this out. Metal straw. Brand new. And it got the rubber bottom, so when you slam it, it don't be as loud as a metal bottom. Mama over there, she's sitting over there with a plate full of desserts too. I don't know how she's gonna eat and see it at the same time. Like she
What?
help her, Lord.